Okay guys, well it's the next day after Eve of Destruction and I have 13 videos from it. Well, let's go outside. I just have to do something quickly. Okay, so keys, that would help. Okay, so yeah. I have 23 videos ready to go now. About half of them are from the old camera still. So I haven't weeded out the old videos completely yet, but I'm working on it. Now I have 2 rims left to sand up. I'm probably getting them swapped on today, but they shouldn't take too long because the corrosion is very minimal. But what I'm worried about, I want to see the oil left. Because if my oil is pretty bad, I'm going to change the oil at the same time while I have this up on the hoist. Okay, let's see what my oil I have to actually close the door. So 103, 491. I don't know what that is in metric. So that is 166,553. So 162.88 was when I changed it. Okay, so I think I'm almost due for changing. So I think I'm gonna get oil today. We won't have access to a hoist. Take you back to English. And the oil change was done on June 24th. Okay, so let's get I'll see what I can find for oil. And I'll probably do that today, as well as the tire swap. So, yeah, next time you'll see it, tire swap will be done. Well, actually, I'll show you that, doing that. And you'll see also the oil changing. Okay, guys, well, I'm sorry I couldn't record anything when I was at my old high school doing it. But we were kind of in a rush because the teacher had to go in an hour and I had to go in an hour too. So, let's show you how it looks. You can shut up, door dinger. I definitely like these rims better, personally. They look much nicer. And it turns out I only need 1 tire. Car needs a cleaning though, badly. Front tires didn't change. I used the same on the fronts. And on the back I put a new Michelin Hydro Edge. So I still have 4 Michelins, just one's a different Michelin than the rest. This tire was off quite a bit though. This weights. But these are getting painted anyways. I'm spraying these rims black. I definitely like how that looks better though. What do you guys think? Think that looks better than the other rims? I'll put a picture in the video of how it looks with the others. These rims are just getting painted though. They don't look how they will look painted. And I might have a line to free headlight set and tail light set because I want to tint tail lights, and I would like to do Euro style headlights kind of thing on them. But I want to make my own Euro style headlights. So, let's show you the mileage and do a startup for you then. But then, I don't know, I think I'm going to go home after this. Oh, scrap metals. Too bad it's for electronic recycling and I can't take it. Seatbelt on first. Okay, so I'm at 103,497 miles. I'm getting an average of 23.8 miles per gallon. Here's the startup for you. It was just running 3-4 minutes ago, so it wasn't really a cold start. But I'm gonna end this here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.